Right, so we've been chasing a earth problem on this car for probably since the engine was actually refitted, but really annoying recently. Now I've sorted the airbags out, the airbag light. ABS is still to be fixed, but it beeps every time it does a certain thing, so I'll cut to a video of me showing what it was. Right, so idle's fine. 14 volts on the alternator. We indicate left, beeps and stops. We indicate right, no problem. Hazards will beep the same. Wipers will beep. Doesn't really seem to have a difference in speed between the two settings. Maybe slightly different. And then if we put side lights on, no change. If we put main beams on, stop light goes away. And then indicating left, tries to move the wiper blades a little. But we do no beeps. And then doing wipers doesn't do anything with the main beams on. Turn them off, back to beeping. Also, now nothing will work until the wipers won't work until we start again, or wait a bit. There we go. As you can see, I've been tearing this car apart trying to find this earth problem. So, pretty confident it was an earth problem because obviously it beeps doing electrical things, and when I put the main beams on, it went away. And a classic sign with earth problems, it's like water, it takes the path of least resistance. But when the main beam's on, there's such a voltage change, it doesn't matter anymore. This is a terrible explanation, but essentially the voltage was dropping, going the wrong way, coming back to the body control module here, triggering the beep. So first thing we did, new battery. I've been meaning to get one of these anyway, so wasn't a waste, but now I've got two batteries. That didn't fix it. So when I was installing this cut-off switch, you may have seen I wired in a temporary earth because I was having earth problems. It's all related. So now this is back to being directly connected to the body. That extra wire is gone. I've tidied them all up in the engine bay. Still happening. Did some Googling. Classic Renault electrical faults. They're always everywhere. They say the rear lights is a problem, especially on Clios. The earths go here, and this can burn or corrode. This was completely clean. The earths up there was fine. Did the other side, checked this side, no difference. We swapped the body control modules, that made no difference. So we come here, and when the headlight's in, you can only really see these three here, which, this is a mess, I will admit this. But I've been just frantically trying every different combination of putting these together to try and get them to work. No difference. The main earth one, which is hard to see with all these extra wires in the way, is here off the block. I had jumper cables between the block and the body, no difference. And I took the headlight out today and I noticed this one that I'd missed. I also noticed one at the back down here that I missed. That was fine. This, however, I will cut to how it looked. So yeah, cleaned that all up, used my rotary tool, tied it all up, put it back on, fixed. So yeah, it's always an earth. You just have to find the right one.